I have a problem that I will have to resolve with the move of sending me questions. The way you send me questions, that is the way I will give you the answer. Okay? For example, somebody wants me to evaluate cube root of 27. Instead of writing cube root of 27, you have written 3 root 27. Let's look at the two answers. Here, we are going to have 3 times 5.196, which will give us 15.588. Meanwhile, this will give us, these two answers are not the same. So please be careful when you are sending me questions. I know the correct way of writing it. That is why I always encourage you to use your hand, handwritten, snap, and send to me. Okay? When you write with hand, snap and send to me, it will be understood very well in that way. Okay? So this is how to write, this is how to differentiate between cube root of 27 and 3 root 27. Okay, let's look at another question here. We have cube root of 64. Okay, this will be what? 4. Then when you say 3 root 64, this will give us 3 times 4. I think root, sorry, not 4, 8. This will give us 24. Okay, because the cube root of 64 is 8. Then this one means multiplication. So let's look at another one. We have cube root of 1000. Of course, cube root of 1000, you know, is 10. But when you mistakenly write like this, 3 root this is the response you are going to get from me. You are going to get 3 times root 100 times root 10, which will be equal to 3 times 10 times 3.162, which will eventually give us 94.86. You see this? So I believe strongly that after today, when you are sending me a question that has to do with roots, okay, you be careful. You know the correct way of writing it so that there will be no mix-up to understand each other very well. Okay? So if you write like this, let's say 20. This means the 5th root of 20. But if you write like this, 5 to 20. Okay? This is telling us 5 times the root of 20. They are two different things. So always know the correct thing to write. Okay, I want let's see, I want something like this. Cube root of okay, let's remove this. Okay, let me ask one of you. Come out. Come and write cube root of 75. Write it clearly. Let me see. Cube root of 75. Be confident. Do it confidently. Wow. Can you see this? This is the correct way of writing cube root of 75. Okay? Let another person, you, come and write 3 multiplied by root 75. Let's try to know the difference between the two based on what you have learned here. Let me see. Wow. It means you are following, but it doesn't mean you must take this one down. Once it's here like this, everybody knows. Once it's here like this, everybody knows. Can you see this? So, a few of my students that are here with me today, at least they have shown that they know the difference. So, anytime you are sending me a question, this is how you do it. Okay? So, please, to be one big family, I encourage you to subscribe. Once you subscribe, the implication is that anything I do on this channel, you always get the update from Google. So please try to subscribe. Encourage your friends that are preparing for external examinations. We are doing serious business. Most of the problems we attend to are problems that external examination bodies bring to you to deal with. Okay? So encourage your friends. Encourage your friends in other schools and other persons to be part of this. Like I told you before, I can't be here if you are not there for me. I'm here because you are there. So please continue to encourage me. Thank you.